everyone, welcome to our show back in Breath and Beyond. I hope you have been a fantastic journey with Monica, with me, and you are really enjoying, you are really relaxed, you are really feeling blessed to enjoy with your own company. I'm guessing that you have started doing meditation. I know that you have been practicing just a few minutes or just infused it in your day-to-day practice. So today, in today's episode, I'm going to talk about once again visualization, but I want you to feel that visualization is not just one thing that you can just go to one place or something. You can visualize anything, even go to your beautiful destination, wherever you always wanted to go and for some reason you couldn't reach there, lack of time, money, financially, or any reason it could be. So you can just go there. You don't need any money to spend for it. So but as like today's practice, we are doing it on chair, so I want to just guide you to how to sit in a chair, because there are certain point you have to just learn it and then adjust it so that you don't come out from your lower back pain. So the first and very important thing is that your legs are not hanging. It should not be like swinging. You can't swing. If you are swinging, that it means that something is wrong. You need some support because you feel grounded. So for that, you just grab a cushion and then keep it just below your feet. Relax completely, put it, and that can be any cushion from your couch which you feel. If you feel soft, you can just align two cushions on top of each other, and that's it. You are good to go. Second, your back should not be touching to the back of the chair because you don't want to hunch your back, right? So for that, just grab any cushion. These simple cushions which I grab it from my couch, you can just take it, whether it's a small or big, it doesn't matter. It completely doesn't matter. You can just make sure that it is on your lower part of the body from your back, and then just pull your back up, your body up, hinge little bit, and then sit, so that it is just covering your lower part of the body. Now take another cushion. So don't hesitate to bring 2 or 3 cushions also, because this is your time and you want to relax and you don't want to get any pain while sitting just for 10 minutes also. So you can just take a cushion. If you notice that I'm not completely hinging back and completely relaxed, and then I have 2 supports, one from down and other from the back, I am good to go for another 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Even I can sit here for half an hour also. I won't get pain. I don't want that pain, and I think so you also don't want any pain. So now let's start our practice. So if you remember that from last time we have practiced visualization, and I know that you could go beyond your imagination. You really enjoyed it, not just with my words, with your own imagination. So today's practice we are going to do, I want to take you to another journey, and that journey can be your journey. It is not my journey, because this is your time and you are investing your another 10 minutes or 15 minutes of your time. So this is completely your journey, and that journey can be anywhere where you feel relaxed, where you want to go. If you want to go any part of this world, even beyond this earth, if you want to go in the planet, in another planet, just visualize it and then reach there. Wherever you feel blissful and relaxed, just go there. No need anyone to guide you. So we are good to go. First thing, relax your knees. The knees are relaxed, my feet are relaxed, I am completely supported, my back is relaxed, I am aligned, my back, the spine is completely erect and straight, and as I always talk about, the spine should be completely erect and straight. It is that, so I am good to go. So now drop down any weight from your shoulders, open up your chest, open up your shoulders. Now bring your hand down. I always talk about the palm facing up towards the sky. Why? Because we receive the energy from the sky and we shred the energy when we put it down. So here, that's why I always encourage, if you see any sage also, any monk sitting, they always sit like this, but nobody tells us the reason. So here I am explaining you simple thing as just a layman, that how you can do it. So we can either sit like this, you can either cross your fingers and sit like this, or even you can use the mudra also. This is called chin mudra. Why chin mudra? Because the thumb, which represents to fire, and the index finger, which represents to space. So when the both connect together, it bring lot of focus and concentration, and that is why lot of monk and sage you see sitting like this, because they want to feel connected with themselves and concentrate. So let's sit whatever the way, 1 or 2 or 3, that's it. So let's just start. Now just start to slowly close your eyes. Eyes are the doors for the outer world, so just shut that door and start to close your eyes, and slowly and gently focus your attention on your breath. Now notice how your breath is doing. Bring your awareness to the tip of your nostrils, the flow of the breath going in and out. Notice the temperature of your inhalation, the breath which is going inside your nostrils. Now notice the temperature of the breath which is coming from your body and going out. The temperature is always different, because the breath which is going inside, it might be little colder, but the breath which is coming out from your body, it is little warmer. Just be there, stay there, be still. You're doing awesome. Gently start to feel that your breath is flowing on the hollow space of your neck. Now bring your breath more down below your neck and feel it in your chest, in your lungs. Make sure you're smiling. Make sure your shoulders are completely relaxed. Just be aware of your own breath. Gently feel your breath in your belly. Stay there. In between, if any thought comes, just slowly and gently come back to your breath. Now start to relax your head, your whole face. Visualize as if everything is melting down from your head, all the stress, anxiety, all that bundle of thoughts. pushing down and down. Now feel it in your shoulders, little heavy. Everything is melting down from your shoulders, going down below to your chest. Going down from your hands. Visualize the flow of the energy from the tip of your fingers. Now visualize that it's melting down and down to your belly. Now from your neck down to your upper back and lower back, to your both thighs. Feel heavy in your legs, in your knees. Now everything is melting down from your thighs to your knees, to your calf muscle, to your feet. Visualize and feel that all that heating energy, all that stress is melting, and you can feel it in your feet coming out from your toes. Now bring your attention to your head. Now feel that from your head to toe you are feeling very light, very relaxed, and there's a beautiful smile in your face. Now visualize that you are walking in a place, in a path which is surrounded by lot of trees, a tall trees, very ancient trees, and you are alone, just walking alone. As you are walking, everything is passing by. You're enjoying the beauty of the surroundings. The aroma is so beautiful. Now visualize a beautiful hut. You have never seen such a beautiful hut in your life like that. Start to walk towards that. When you reached near the hut, see your name outside that place. Your name is written. You know this is your place. You own it, and you can come back here anytime. Now just feel free to come inside. Just allow yourself to be relaxed. When you are in, you saw that there is a fireplace, and there is one beautiful, relaxed, comfortable rocking chair there. Just relax there, feel that fire, the warmth of that fire, You started to watch that fire. Start to feel that heat. As you are sitting there, you noticed there are another chairs there and your parents are sitting there. They are also sitting relaxed completely and enjoying the fire. They started to talk to you. And you are when you were young, at that age. See yourself in the age you were really a beautiful person, a young child, sitting there in your armchair with your parents. Now they just hold your hand and started telling that I'm really feeling proud of you. You are amazing. You are perfect. I'm proud of you. You are a beautiful person from inside out. They are telling you that I trust you and I am with you all the time in your journey. You can feel their love and affection and bonding, and feel that they are feeling so grateful for you, for being their child. Feel that connection with them. You are still the same that child who is with your parents right now, the child within you who is strong and beautiful mentally and physically. Now feel gratitude for this love from your parents. See it in their eyes and see the love flowing for you. Connect with them. Now connect with yourself and start to observe in the fire, just like fire, how strong you are, how powerful you are, how warmth you are, and how gentle you are from inside out. Now feel blessed to be here, to your own space, with your own parents. Feel that energy flow in your whole body. Now with this love and compassion and gratitude feeling, start to feel gratitude and walk out from that hut, from that place, Close the door. Now start to walk back where you came from. Feel the surroundings. Feel every step you are taking. Slowly and gently come back to your senses. Feel your own breath. Notice the difference when you started the practice and now. How is your mind? How relaxed you are. Ask yourself whether I am relaxed or not. Ask yourself whether I am blessed to have parents who really felt proud since my childhood. Keep this energy with you for this whole day, that inner child within you, which is alive even now. Now gently start to wiggle your toes and wiggle your fingers. Take your own time to open your eyes. Notice how your back is, how your shoulders are. Gently relax and come back to your senses. How was it? How did you feel? Just ask this question to yourself, whether I am feeling relaxed or not. And keep telling yourself that inner child is there with me. And still, I am feeling blessed to have whose parents really feel proud of me. I am really blessed to be alive, taking these breaths. With that, I know and I'm hoping that you are really practicing visualization, relaxing your whole body scanning meditation, and relaxing through visualization. So see you next week, next time with me, your host Monica, on the same show, Breath and Beyond. Till then, practice, practice and practice. Thank you.